Tonight we are starting with box break number 29 of 2017 Topps WWE Undisputed Wrestling. It is random pack. Go through those as we get to them. And I'm hoping I have the font down a little bit better now. Okay. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, good luck, guys. So, pack 1. Jonesy wants a taker. What up, nerds? Alright. Gargano? Bailey? Alicia Fox? AJ Styles /50. And Ember Moon. 28 of 50. It's our first pack for Jones. Pack 2 is also Jones. Sheamus. Ooh, there's a redemption there. Is there something like that? Maurice. AJ Styles. Alright, what is this? Redemption card. Undisputed autograph. Sami Zayn. And oh, an autograph and a relic in this one. And Mojo Rawley. 185 of 199. Pack 3, also Jones. Vanilla scented candles. Hey, hippie. It's that bad, Jones. Dream matches, Undertaker, Sting. Russo? Or Rusev? Can't read it. A gold Andre. It looks like it should say Glenn, but all the silver is gone from that. Almas? What is going on here? Cards are stuck together. There we go. Cesaro? Guessero? I don't know. It's a C or a G. Something like that. And a Brie Bella. 23 of 199.
Hey, is that pack 3 with the shirt relic?
C-I-E-N? Looks like an L. Looks like a L with an awkward space in it. Okay, 4. Jones. Alright, he's happy with that one. Good. Mick Foley. And Sawyer Fulton. John Cena. Tommaso Ciampa. And Enzo Andre. 48 of 199. Amore. Is it Amore or Andre? Amore? Yeah, that's an M. Amore. Alright. And the last one is I already said that. So wait, okay. It just didn't have any color in it. 5. Jones. Yeah. I got... You'll see that in a minute that I finally got that. Okay, so this is also Jones. Randy Orton. No Way Jose. James Ellsworth.
Samoa Joe.
And Seth Rollins. Gold, 27 of 99. Relic Auto. Alright, so now we finally have somebody else on here. Dot. Alright. Hitman Hart. Dream Matches, Stone Cold Steve Austin and Goldberg. And Hideo Itami. A gold Bray Wyatt. And Giampi. What did we say this guy's name was?
Giampa.
Gold 12 of 99. That guy. I'm just going to call him Tom Grandpa. It works for me. Tom Grandpa. Oh, and this one, by the way, was numbered 6 of 99.
Jones is breaking out the cane. Just need some X-Pac in there with him.
It wouldn't surprise me, Brian. What am I trying to do? Okay, so 7. Jones. Eric Young. Ultimate Warrior. Dream Matches, Brian and Nakahama. Not gonna pronounce any of these names right. Ooh, a 40 of 50 Maurice. And Braun Strowman. 52 of 99. All right. 8. Jones. Xavier Woods. Mickey James. That looks like a girl on a television show I used to watch. Dean Ambrose. A green Bray Wyatt. 8 of 25. And that guy again. Strowman. 40 of 50. 9 is R1C. Beard Relic. Pretty much. It was accurate, right, Brian? Alright, so this was R1C. Dream Matches. Lesnar.
Brock Lesnar.
Oh, Lesnar. See, those last 2 letters are the exact same. You can't really see it there, but those are the same letter. Stone Cold Steve Austin. It's killer. Kane?
I didn't know Kane was in this. I haven't seen that card before.
The Miz. There's an Undertaker. Does that count?
It's not the Undertaker you're looking for.
And a Carl Anderson. 162 of 199 autograph. Last pack. Better be an Undertaker for Jones. Charlotte Flair. It's going to be upside down now. Yep. I'm going to go this way first. Eva Marie. Kevin Owens. Gold Asuka. That was her name. Asua? I know I got yelled at for this one last time. So, Gypsy Lady. And TJ Perkins. 5 of 5, though. That's definitely the lowest numbered autograph, but I don't know anything about that guy, so That doesn't mean anything. He could be amazing or he could be terrible. But it is a 5/5, Jones. I'm sure you'll let me know rather quickly if that's good or not.